portrait series, Bittersweet, I used found baking sheet. The cellophane paintings that are in the installation, again, I was all about bringing the installation out from the wall and bringing it into the space. That duality, this is the one here, is I'm considering the bitter. The boot font box, that's part of my installation. I like gilded those in gold leaf just to add a sparkle element, and also in the drapings in the ceiling, just adding that element of contrast.
Taipei, Taiwan, which is a small island from China. So I grew up there, received all my formal education there, and then I moved to the United States for a master's degree, kind of like the roots of my studio practice. I was in Atlanta, Georgia for a couple of years, and then moved to Jackson, Mississippi. So all these places that I lived influenced me and continue to influence me in my studio practice. And then also color is a central part of my practice.
Art is important because it allows me to reflect on the world. Half Japanese, and I grew up in South Jersey. I grew up in Vineland. So a lot of my work is taking things from American culture and then taking things from Japanese culture, picturing American life or what's all American.
So I can capture today, sometimes a moment or something I want to capture a lot easier. So for my public art pieces, I do a lot of murals. Here behind me, I have some mural cloth. This is for signage that I'm working on for the front of the gallery.